how you doing? It's Bombay Goa, Bombay Goa, Bombay Goa, Bombay Goa. Welcome to my channel, We Travelers. Today I have two new partners. That's my friend Janvi and that's Kanta. Both of them thinking, let's behave. YouTuber camera is on. And we're gonna have super duper fun in Goa. Stay connected. We have just arrived in Goa and it's almost 7 a.m. So let's see if we get our room so early. So yesterday we were so excited for our first ever girls Goa trip कि हम लोग सारी रात नहीं सो पाए. And Mayur he added fuel to the fire. And we had 5:30 Indigo flight to catch. But believe me, अगर हमें 5 मिनट और देर हो जाती तो ये फ्लाइट मिस हो जाती. But here we are at our beach hotel. और इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए? A morning breakfast table overlooking the beach. We were so tired but freaking excited. And we couldn't resist. ये तो होना ही था. Hashtag beach vibes only. Oh, I love that sound. We are at Kalamgute beach. Here we are. And our hotel is just right behind me, that one. And this is Charleston Beach Resort Hotel. We have not yet checked in because it is just 8:30 in the morning. And checking time is 1, but we'll try to check in around 12. I have not decided where we are going, what we are doing. But we just want to ask local, try to explore some new stuff. हम तीनों actually बहुत बार गोवा आ चुके हैं, and especially me, I've been here 15-20 times. You know, some people say Goa is a cliche or an overrated place. But for me, I think Goa is India's pocket-sized paradise. So you know, Goa is the smallest state in India. But its rich heritage, warm and friendly people, tropical climate, county beaches, exotic handicraft, and not to forget the seafood. It's going to keep calling you back. At least with me, it's never gonna be a cliche. मैं हर बार गोवा में कुछ नया देखती हूँ and मैं हर बार वापस आना चाहती हूँ. So we can only check in at 12:31 and meanwhile we just explore the hotel. The hotel is really beautiful. On our list is one fort, one night market, I guess 2 night markets and lots of party, lots of dancing for sure. Finally we got our room. So we just checked in but we are super tired because हम लोग more than 24 hours हो गए हैं, सोए नहीं हैं. So the plan is freshen up, eat lunch at the hotel, take a nap and then head out. And it's around 4 p.m. and we have just left. First thing first, we got to Activa, we filled the petrol and here we are at our sunset point. We are at Aquarium Fort and we did not go to beach but we are going towards a point where we can see our beautiful sunset because we have decided that all 3 days we are gonna see the sunset. Oh my god, this view is really beautiful. If you have not yet been to Cinquarium Fort yet, you must do that because there is a beach where you can go and there is a viewpoint. Also you can trek. There are few caves nearby where you can trek. All in all, this is a place to explore. After spending an awesome time at Cinquarium Sunset Point, we are heading towards the Arbora Night Market and it is around 9 to 10 kilometers from here. Goa is also famous for its night markets, its flea markets, and today we are here at Arbora Hills for Arbora Saturday Night Market. Because of COVID, there are very few stalls. Talking about shopping, one thing you should not miss is Tibetan Market at Baga Road. And in 30 minutes, we finished the market and we headed back to our hotel because we wanted to get ready for party. And today we have chosen to come to this famous Tito's Lane because it is very near to our hotel, just 2 kilometers away. And this is the scene at Tito's Lane after lockdown on a Saturday night. And we chose to spend our night and get high. It has got very good Bollywood music, it has got pool table and awesome crowd. Happy dancing people! और इसी तरह नाचते हुए आधी रात बीत चुकी थी. Hello, तुम्ही कसे आसा? We are just loving this beautiful morning breakfast times. I guess it just sets the mood right for the day. The property itself is so don't feel like going out of the property. But right now we are all ready to head to the fort. और हमारी सवारी निकल चुकी है रईस मागोस फोर्ट के लिए. 2 things you must do in Goa are bike ride and sunset. After 30-40 minutes drive, we arrive at Reis Magos Fort, which is in Bardez. Let's explore. That's the church and that's the fort. And we kinda need to go uphill. So this 400-year-old fort was constructed in the year 1551 and this happens to be the oldest fort in Goa. This fort has been served multiple uses as a jail and then hospital. But after being renovated, the fort was open to the general public only in the year 2012. This fort is a perfect combination of Hindu and Portuguese style architecture. The altitude of the fort gives a very splendid view of the sea and especially the Panjim. Avoid coming in March, April and May because the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius that time. Do you guys know Goa celebrate 19 December as Goa Liberation Day? They celebrate to honor the Indian Armed Forces who freed the state from Portuguese rule after 415 years of rule. So are you guys enjoying in Goa?
Yes. Thank you.
Doesn't look like your energy. Yay!
He's a clear man.
What about you?
I need water. I need water. I need water.
And we definitely freezed some memories. And it was time to head back to our beach hotel and get changed. And enjoy the afternoon at the shack. और क्या चाहिए? बीच पे बैठ के फुट मसाज और वहीं पे आपको खाना और पीना दोनों मिल जाए. We enjoyed the sunset here only, a relaxed evening, and we head to Thalassa. This is a beautiful Greek restaurant with some good music, amazing live performances, and some beautiful moon views. Happy dancing, people! After exploring Thalassa and Curly, these night crawlers were back to the den. Come on, let's enjoy the last day. Hi guys, good morning. This is third day in Goa after spending a beautiful morning at the beach. We are just heading towards our breakfast table, and today is our last day. We have a flight at 9 from Goa airport, 9 p.m. So we kind of have a day still with us. I don't think we're gonna roam around a lot or see some new places, but yes, we will definitely try to visit some good cafes. We already packed our bag and checked out and kept our luggage at the reception and headed directly to Fisherman's Cove. And we spent our whole afternoon at this place. We couldn't move any bit. And while making plans for our next trip, we realized that we don't want to go tonight. Yes guys, we missed our flight and decided to spend one more night in Goa. And you know why we missed our flight? We missed our flight for this beautiful sunset. We missed our flight for having some more memories. We wanted to steal some more time. And believe me, I'm gonna remember this day till the end of my life. Have you ever missed your Goa return flight? Come on guys, I wanna hear from you. How many times have you missed Goa flight? I have missed more than once. Guys, this is the golden hour and we have missed our flight. That's the Goa ritual. So we spent the night at one of my friend's place and early morning we had a Mumbai flight to catch. Nonetheless, a beautiful sunrise again. गाइस सबको साल में एक बार एक हफ्ते के लिए गोवा तो आना ही। Here we are, three musketeers making memories and friends for lifetime. So guys, please like, share
And subscribe.
to my channel Glee Traveler. Whatever makes you so happy, do that.
Run and tell your mama.